That's what I say, because I'm all about, like, yeah, I definitely, you got to see them side by side. This is literally like you're comparing it more to the MX-5.
The MX-5 as far as size-wise and everything.
And the MX-5 is literally, it's pretty much the same size as this. The tires are slightly bigger, the seats, but it is a smaller kind of bike. And even like the 14-year-old kids coming in, they're already 6 feet tall. Yeah. They're already kind of outgrown
these. You've outgrown this, you need to move up to something.
Absolutely.
So its peak power on this is going to be just upwards of 8,000 watts.
Okay.
Out of 4,000. It doesn't ride like that. If you take it for a ride, it rides like a lot more.
Okay.
It's just, yeah, everybody that's got on it can't believe that it's only 4,000 watts.
All right, let's get Jay on this.
I was thinking, this looks like the guy that wants to take it for a rip.
I get a helmet?
Yeah, let's do a helmet this time.
Full lighting package, obviously, as well. Right. So, the only thing I don't like is your horn.
Yeah, things we don't like.
Horns tend to be horrible on these.
Oh my god.
Somebody will definitely hear you because you're going to annoy them. Right? Yeah. You'll definitely annoy them enough that they'll turn and look. Right?
You can do that as a short video, like what we don't like about the Bandit.
Yeah, definitely. The horn is
Gay horn.
is not a is not a positive.